Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for EveryDollar savings goals. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that allows you to track your income and expenses and set savings goals. To get the most out of EveryDollar, it is essential to understand how to set and achieve your savings goals effectively. First, identify your savings goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $1,000 in the next 3 months for a vacation. Next, prioritize your savings goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and allocate your resources accordingly. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Now, set up your savings goals in EveryDollar. Start by creating a new goal and giving it a name. Then, set the target amount and deadline for your goal. EveryDollar will help you calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Make sure to regularly review and adjust your savings goals as needed. To achieve your savings goals, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. You can also use the 52-week savings challenge, where you save an amount equal to the number of the week. For example, in week 1, you save $1, and in week 52, you save $52. Another best practice is to avoid dipping into your savings account for non-essential expenses. Treat your savings account as a separate entity from your everyday spending money. If you need to make a withdrawal, make sure it is for a legitimate reason, such as a financial emergency or a planned expense. Finally, track your progress and stay motivated. EveryDollar allows you to monitor your savings goals and see how close you are to achieving them. Celebrate your successes along the way, and do not be too hard on yourself if you encounter setbacks. Remember, saving is a long-term process, and it is essential to be consistent and patient. By following these best practices, you can make the most out of EveryDollar and achieve your savings goals. Remember to stay focused, disciplined, and patient, and you will be on your way to financial stability and success.